Assalamualaikum. My name is Rubab Zara and I am having the presentation with my partner Farwa Batul. The topic of my presentation is noise pollution. Here we will discuss its types, its sources, its causes, its effects, and its prevention. The topic of the introduction: noise pollution, also known as environmental noise or sound pollution. It is the propagation of noise with ranging impact on the activity of human or animal life. Most of them are harmful to a degree. The source of outdoor noise worldwide is mainly caused by machines, transport, and propagation system. Types of noise pollution: transport noise, neighborhood noise, industrial noise. Transport noise pollution. It mainly consists of traffic noise, which has increased in the recent year with the increase in the number of vehicles. The increase in noise pollution leads to deafening of older people, headache, and hypertension. Neighborhood noise pollution. The noise from gadgets, household utensils, etc. Some of the main sources are musical instruments, transistors, and loudspeakers. Sources. Now we will discuss the sources of noise pollution. Barking of dogs, noise of juicer blender, noise produced by loudspeaker, and the noise of construction of buildings are the main sources of noise pollution. Now I would like to invite my partner Farwa Batul to present the remaining presentation.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Farah Batul and I'm gonna explain further about noise pollution. First, we have causes of noise pollution. The first cause is industrialization. Industrialization has led to an increase in noise pollution as the use of heavy machinery such as generators, mills, exhaust fans are used, resulting in the production of unwanted noise. Next, we have vehicles. Increased number of vehicles on the roads are the second reason of the noise pollution. Next, we have events. Weddings, public gathering involve loudspeaker to play music, resulting in the production of unwanted noise in the neighborhood. Second, we're gonna discuss about effects. First effect is hypertension. It is a direct result of noise pollution, which is caused due to elevated blood levels for a longer duration. Hearing loss. Constant exposure of human ear to loud noise that are beyond the range of sound that human ear can withstand damage the eardrum, resulting in loss of hearing. Next, we have sleeping disorders. Lack of sleep might result in fatigue and low energy level throughout the day, affecting everyday activities. Noise pollution hampers the sleep cycles, leading to irritation